Guys, welcome back to another video on my channel. How are y'all doing? Because I'm doing all right. So if this is your very first time here, hi, welcome to Bare Beauty, guys. Thank you so very much for tuning in. I hope you enjoy. I hope you stay. So subscribe, turn on that post notification so you get notified each and every time I upload, because I upload twice a week every week. And I think I'll be uploading every day this week. I mean, I have missed out a couple of days, but you'll be getting another video tomorrow and the day after, and the day after, and the day after. You know how that goes. Okay, so subscribe, turn on that post notification so you get notified each and every time I upload. And follow me on all my social medias. I only have one social media, by the way, that is Bare Beauty Services on Instagram. So today I actually got inspired by this picture here. So you know those pictures, expectation versus reality, or reality versus expectation. It really doesn't matter how it goes, but this is the case. I mean, I didn't do a bad job. I don't think. If I was supposed to grade myself from 1 to 10 being 10 being the lowest, 1 being the lowest and 10 being the highest, I think it was a satisfactory work, which means it's a high. No bias, right? No bias. How would you judge me? How would you rate me? Would you give me a 5? Would you give me a 3? Would you give me a 10? You know, I'm not reaching, but would you give me a 10? I mean, I didn't do a bad job. This is my very first time, you know, attempting it. I didn't do any demos off camera, so I had no idea how to do it. I mean, I was looking for tutorials on how, you know, how to do it, as I wanted a walkthrough how to do it, but based on the videos that I've seen, I mean, it's basically freehand, you know, nothing to it. But me cannot draw to save my life. I've been trying this for some time now, since I've got my channel, but I have seen growth. I felt let me not complain because I'm doing well. So for today's video, I'll be using 2 colors. This is fuchsia and midnight. I'll be using midnight at the tip, as you can see, and fuchsia at the cuticle area. So now I'm going with my emery board just to kind of straighten out the nails and, you know, do what I gotta do. And I also go over on the nails to smooth out the nail with the Melody Susan e-file, which is sobomb.com, the best buy I ever have bought since a year. Really good. So I go over with the sanding band just to smooth out that nail, and then I will take my buffer and smooth out the rest of the nail after I'm done with the e-file work. So I'll be putting up a reality versus expectation. I mean you kind of have to judge yourself to be better, or compare yourself to be a little bit better. Some persons don't agree with the comparison, but I feel like when you compare your nails to somebody else, or compare something to somebody else in a good way, you get better results. You get better at doing what you're doing. So I'm comparing my nails to these nails. I mean, they are both classy. Guys, rate me. Did I do satisfactory work? Would you walk out the salon looking like this? Would you not walk out of the salon like this? Would you pay me for this service? I mean, it's a whole lot of emotions. I mean, I didn't do a bad job. I didn't think I did a bad job. But yes, the only advice that I can give you guys, this video, or I researched. These are the 90s nails. If you guys didn't know, if I didn't mention it earlier, these are the 90s nails, or this is one of the 90s nails. Look, then I researched about it. I found out I didn't exactly know what the nail was, but I did some research on YouTube, but they didn't give me walkthrough. So I'm only assuming that is a freehand design based on videos that I've seen. You know, it's freehand design. So yeah. So it's not necessarily a nail tutorial, but it's just comparing, or just maybe later in the year I'll be laughing, ha ha ha, look what I did. I can't draw to save my life, but look at me now. I'm doing fine. So this design is just freehand. It's based on what you want. It's upon what you want. I was going by an image that I saw. So next video that I do, or in the near future, in the near year, to come, or the near months to come, I'll be attempting this design again. So look out for that. So ensure that you subscribe, turn on that post notification so you get notified each and every time I upload, because I upload twice a week every week, and I am planning on uploading every day. I think I'll upload every day. So subscribe, tap that bell to get notified each and every time I upload, and also follow me on my social media at Bare Beauty Services. I'm on IG. So how did I do? Rate me from 1 to 10. Did I do satisfactory work? Was it something that you can walk out the salon with? I mean, how did I do? Comment down below, like this video if you think I did well. If I didn't do well, I mean, that's okay. You can criticize me in the comments down below. So guys, it's coming to the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Don't forget to subscribe, like, turn on that post notification so you get notified each and every time I upload, and I will see you guys in the next one.